This is the Discovery Landmark. You have LED headlights with signature daytime running, 20-inch alloy wheels, 5-split spoke with a gloss black finish, a powered tailgate, privacy glass, a detachable tow bar, and going inside the vehicle you have an ebony full leather interior. You also have a front sliding panoramic roof and a fixed one at the back. And these can be controlled here and are great for letting light. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone. A rear view camera which is perfect for reversing and parking. Sat nav and other functions which can be controlled using the buttons on the wheel. Cruise control and speed limiter which is useful when driving on long journeys or down the motorway. This car has 7,457 miles on the clock. You also have heated front seats which is ideal for winter. A Meridian sound system and several different driving modes which is practical for different weather. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the Discovery Landmark. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.